Welcome to Techstination. Joining us is Brian Phillips, the President and CEO of FedEx Office. Thank you for joining us, Brian.
It's my pleasure to be here, Fred.
And what we're talking about is some brand new robotic technology that you're announcing. Give us an overview. What is this?
Yeah, we at FedEx are very excited to be introducing the FedEx same-day bot to the world. And this is an autonomous delivery device that will revolutionize the last-mile delivery into residential areas. And since you asked, it's a very unique platform. It is able to operate on the side of the road as well as on the sidewalk. It can climb the curb, navigate up your front walkway, climb the steps and onto your front porch, and then facilitate a remote delivery. We truly have built a better bot.
Well, describe this for us. What's the vision here? Does this ride on one of your trucks? How does this all come together?
Actually, this is an entirely new business for us. It helps us meet an unmet need in the marketplace where you simply can't use a traditional vehicle or a traditional driver to solve the opportunity. So these bots will be placed outside of each of our retail customers so that capacity is available for any on-demand need 24 hours, 7 days a week. Therefore, the retailer can then load the bot with the item and send it off to their customers. We're working with people like Pizza Hut and AutoZone, Lowe's, Walmart, Target, Walgreens, and many more. And what we're finding is about 60% of their customers live within 3 miles of their particular locations. So this bot is a perfect solution for that type of opportunity.
So no vehicle involved other than the bot here. Is that what you're saying?
That's correct. But you got to remember that the FedEx same-day bot is part of our overall portfolio of solutions. So it fits quite nicely with FedEx Same-Day City, which is a traditional van and driver type approach to a different type of demand, as well as our famous overnight delivery and all the services that you've come to know and love.
So, for instance, if I'm a pizza restaurant, you mentioned one of the brands, and I work with FedEx and have one of these bots. It's dedicated to my business essentially and goes off and makes deliveries?
Exactly. It's dedicated to your business. And what we're finding is each of the customers I mentioned have very unique needs, and they plan to use the bots in ways that are different from one another. So you mentioned Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut's focus is having a very modern and on-time type of delivery experience, and the quality of the food when it arrives is incredibly important. So having the bots ready to go on mission at all times gives them an opportunity to kind of jumpstart the food quality and delivery process. At the other end of the spectrum, we're working with AutoZone. They are more of a business-to-business type of customer. You may not know this, but every one of their stores services a number of auto repair shops in the immediate area. But in the auto repair business, when a customer's waiting for their car to be fixed, the mechanic may call 2 or 3 different providers, and whoever gets the part there first wins the order. So AutoZone plans on having our bots lined up and ready to go so they can get the part into the device and on its way, therefore leapfrogging its competition and winning that order based on time.
I'm envisioning that this must be more of like a big cart rather than a humanoid kind of robot.
Well, it is a perfect form factor for the mission that we've got it for. And if you go to thefuturefedex.com, you'll see a lot of great images of what the bot looks like and what it's capable of doing.
When are we going to start seeing them?
It's going to be an exciting summer for us because we'll start the test out on the road in the wild midsummer, late June, early July. We've lined up a number of cities that are interested in working with us. We're going to start by putting the bot to its basic paces, but based on how quickly it learns, we expect it to be out on mission very, very soon.
And you said these are fully autonomous. Are there particular partners you're working with on this?
We work with Dean Kamen and Decker Research. They are expert at what they do. Yes, it's a fully autonomous bot, but we will have the opportunity to remotely pilot it if we ever need to intervene on its behalf.
Really fascinating stuff, and we look forward to taking a look at this. Brian Phillips, thanks for taking the time with us.
Great. Thank you again, Fred.
Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C. Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love Crane.